英国奥运的跳水选手 Tom Daley 虽然伊伫咧巴黎奥运以后就宣布要退役，不过伊伫咧奥运比赛场恰碰死画面，互大家拢印象真深。最近伊伫日本办展览，分享伊这几年恰的碰死作品。
So I like to sometimes hold this stitch just to make it a little bit more stable.
汤姆戴利以爱制作地场编辑作品展第10个交流中心跑酷百会开幕这一日，这办5摆征战奥运的英国有名跳水选手出现伫编辑工作坊，一针一线向民众传授伊的编辑心法。
Knitting started for me in March 2020 because my coach told me that I was bad at staying still and resting and recovering. So I had to find something that I could do that was going to allow me to sit still and allow my body to recover over the weekends and the evenings or whenever I could.
戴利摕碰瓷针伫奥运赛场的看台恰碰死画面，是互人印象深刻的奥运会画面之一。今年热天巴黎奥运会，伊出现伫女子3公尺跳水比赛，我来看比赛，我来恰碰死相片，也搁互奥运官方 IG 转发，内底是讲无汤姆戴利恰碰死都是奥运。这摆展出内容有2021年，互伊伫东京奥运真出名的一领白底奥运5环真接挂图，也搁上新的假碰死顶20件设计作品。展期结束了后，部分拍卖会关乎东京节推广冬训运动团体 Marry Age for All Japan。
If somebody had told me 5 years ago, oh, you do know that you're going to be probably more famous for knitting than you are for your diving, well, probably would have laughed. But it's actually one of those things now that I can't imagine my life without knitting.
今年30岁巴黎奥运了后，宣布退役的戴利目前甲先生囡仔住伫美国洛杉矶，表示家己即马有搁较侪时间投资伫恰碰瓷这新事业。另外，伊阁希望4年了后永就近参加这项一班录成奥运的转播工作。公司新闻王慧文报道。